friends and family, welcome back to another clothing haul. If you are new here, hi, hello, and welcome. If you are returning, thank you for your support. I would love it if you both comment down below so that I could thank you for your support and also welcome you to our channel. Today we have a small Walmart haul try on. I've got a couple of bootcut jeans and also a couple of really cute t-shirts. Not a big haul by any means, but if you are interested in what I have, then please stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so you know in my last video I told you guys that I found a couple I found a stash of clothes that I didn't know I was hiding. They were somehow shoved in my suitcase because I was trying to like multitask and unpack when I came back from an out-of-state wedding, and so everything that I bought while I was out of town I shoved into this suitcase because all of it comes downstairs, which is where I record. And so then I realized, I'm like, hey, you know, think I'm missing some stuff. So I went to the suitcase and I found bags of stuff from Walmart, Target, Ross, TJ Maxx. So that's what this haul is all about. So I did find some bootcut jeans. I only have about three shirts and 2 pairs of pants to share with you guys, but nonetheless I still wanted to share it with you guys. Let's go ahead and start with this outfit. Now don't laugh too hard. I'm a short girl and I did get these bootcut jeans. Look at how long these are. Like, I'm gonna have to we're gonna have to adjust this camera so you guys can see. Look at this. This is with, look at that, I have pretty high boots on. These are about they're about 3 inches high. So anyway, my measurements are that I am exactly 5 feet tall. I am 32 around the waist, which is equivalent to a size 14 or a large, extra large, depending on the brand. I am a 36 around the bust line and usually a large, extra large as well. So with that being said, these are the $9.98 bootcut jeans from No Boundary. They are super comfortable. I really love them. They're very comfortable. They're very cute, but they're pretty big, even wide. Like, the width of them is even huge at the bottom of my ankles, and I am still stepping on these, so they're not gonna work for me. But if they work for you, they're comfortable. They're a very cute cut and style, very nice wash, very great price. So with at least with that, you know, I think it was worth sharing with you guys. And then I do have this really cute, like, little dressy top from Time and True. I did size down on this one because it looked like it ran big. This is a size small and it was for $9.98. I just thought it was an adorable top. You could wear it with leggings, bike shorts, jeans, whatever you think. I do think that you can still wear this for those hot days out. We probably won't start getting any snow till like sometime in October out here. So if you live somewhere like that, this is still a great shirt to invest in for 10 bucks. There's that. And then I do have another pair of the dark wash bootcut jean, and I will, when I switch to these pants, I will show you what the other pair look like. I do buy them in a size 15 just because No Boundaries doesn't have a size 14, and so I size up in those. But look at how pretty this wash is. And then the other thing I got is, I showed this in another haul. I bought the white shirt. It's a No Boundaries t-shirt. This isn't a size large, and I had originally bought the wrong size, but these are only $5.98. So I had bought an extra large, and now I went and exchanged them for a large, and I actually bought a black and a white. So I'll try this on with the other pair of pants really quick. Alright guys, before we move on to the next outfit, here is the first pair of jeans I had on, and they were in this size 15, and they were light washed. Here is what the bottoms of those look like. Again, they're so cute, so comfortable. I really liked them, but I'm just too short for these, so I'm going to have to return them, which is sort of what I thought. But I really did want to try them, not only for you guys, but I also wanted to see, you know, what they were about, see if they'd fit me this time around, but they did not. And then these are the same size, but my god, I barely was able to squeeze into them, so they're a little bit tight. Like, I'm only gonna make it through for the video for you guys, but again, these are super long. Look at that. Again, I have the 3-inch heel boots. But again, they're very pretty, very comfortable. For some weird reason, they ran a little smaller. I don't think you could really tell a whole lot unless I were to point it out. They are just a pinch tight here. Like when I do one of these, I feel like it might bust a button, but they are high-waisted, so I do like that. So definitely worth going to check out, you guys. Just because they don't fit me right doesn't mean that you shouldn't go get them or shouldn't try them yourself. You should definitely do it. Great price, great fit, great wash, great quality, all of that. And then here's the $5 shirt. It's so comfortable, so stretchy, it's ribbed. I definitely love it. It's nice and loose around the arms here. So all in all, I do love it. Again, this was just a short little haul to kind of catch up with all of the things I forgot to share with you in the last haul. Here is the white one. I'm going to try this on really quick. It's the exact same thing as this black one. Same price, same size, and also from No Boundaries. So let me try this one on really quick. Right here is the white top. So same thing, it's just you can see a little bit more because these pants are so tight and because it's white, so it is a little bit more sheer, which is fine. I'm wearing a nude bra, so it's not bad. You can probably just wear like a little tank underneath, layer it somehow, and that would take care of the problem. Very comfortable, super stretchy, a nice, not quite the super soft material, but a very nice, soft, stretchy material. Guys, I found a couple more items shoved in my Target bag. I am a hot mess. Anyways, I had ordered this a while back from Walmart.com. I don't think it's a Walmart brand, however, it was free shipping and all of the things, so I thought it was really cute because it says "Killin' It." It's just a very nice t-shirt. It goes down to about here. It fits really well. It's super cute. I'm gonna share the link with you guys. It was like $16 after tax. And then these beautiful Time and True leggings. They are the cropped leggings, or like capri leggings. They are the super soft material. Very nice. I love this outfit together like this. A very nice lounge wear as well. You can use this to do errands, pick up kids from school, all of those type of things. The next pair of leggings I have are these really pretty like snakeskin leggings. These are were only $6.98 from the No Boundaries. And then I also have this shirt here, really cute, cheetah print. This one is in a size large and it was only $5.98. It has some little button details here, so let me try that on for you guys. Alright, really quickly, here are the Time and True pants. They're like a pink tie-dye. They are high-waisted. Here is the price. They were $5.96 in a size large, fitted high-rise. Again, they went to a little bit above the ankle. And then here is the Killing It t-shirt. It is in a size large. Doesn't show the brand, but again, I will link it down below. And here is the last outfit. These are the snake skin print, and I love them because they go right to the ankle where they should for a short girl. And then here is the blouse. Super cute. I love this. You can wear it with any type of sweater for the colder season coming up. However, this is still nice and cool to work on the yard or kind of go to a barbecue or something like that. So yeah, let me know what you guys thought, and again, like, comment, subscribe, share, and follow me on Instagram. I also do some cute little videos over there if you are interested in swatches or makeup. So please, yeah, we will see you in our next video. Bye guys!